Here are 3 situations captured by highway cameras where drivers improperly stopped on the highway. In the first scenario, it's a case of carelessness. The driver and passengers chose the emergency lane for a cigarette break, nearly becoming the target of another driver who was experiencing a mechanical failure. When a couple's van broke down on the highway, they quickly pulled over into the slow lane. However, a combination of improper signage and the distraction of the driver behind them resulted in an avoidable collision. In what seemed like a harmless situation, drivers began making repairs just inches from the highway lane, placing themselves in significant danger during peak traffic hours. Some trucks passed just inches away from them, but that didn't seem to concern them at all.